Hi viewers, in this video I am going to show you two fixes for the problem, which is that the headphone icon is not disappearing from the status bar of your Samsung, Infinix, Apple, iPhone, Vivo, Tecno, Realme, Xiaomi or any other company mobile. So viewers, watch this video till the end. My name is Sazaman Tanoli. Welcome to Get Information in Knowledge YouTube channel. Let's get started. So you can see that this is my Infinix smartphone, and here at the top you can see this headphone icon. Okay, how you can remove this icon from the top of your smartphone. So for that you have to power off your smartphone. I will power off my smartphone. You can see it's now powered off. Now I will power on my smartphone. Now I will type the password. Viewers, if the headphone icon still shows up in the status bar of your mobile, so for that what you have to do, you must have a cotton bud and then you have to put it inside the headphone jack, which I am going to show you practically right now. So I will take any cotton bud and put it inside this hole. So viewers, you can see that this is the cotton bud. Now I will put it inside the jack of my smartphone. So you can see that the dust has come out. You can see that there is a dust. Actually there was water gone inside the smartphone and now it has come out. So viewers, you can see that I cleaned up the jack of my smartphone properly, and you can see that the icon has disappeared now. There was dust inside it and water also, which I cleaned. Viewers, hope so you liked this video. If you are new on my YouTube channel, then don't forget to subscribe and click or tap on the notification bell on all to get the notification of my latest uploaded information and knowledge videos.